Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game keeps crashing on your PlayStation 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing on your PlayStation 5 easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the game and now you're going to go to your game settings here, and once you go into your game settings, you're going to go into video settings and you're going to make sure that you turn on VSync here. So just turn VSync on, and if you have a high refresh rate monitor with refresh rate higher than 120, make sure to either turn it to below 120, so like 75, 80 or even 60, anything works if it's below 120. Afterwards, you're going to go into graphics settings then, and now you're going to make sure that you turn this preset to either minimum or you're going to set it to performance. So just set this to minimum or performance. Afterwards, you're going to go into languages and gameplay, and here you're going to make sure that you turn off 3D node info in map. So just turn this setting to off because this setting tanks your FPS or frames when you open up the map, and hence it crashes your game. Afterwards, you're going to go into accessibility then, and now you're going to set this particle effects quality to 0. So just set this to 0. After that, now what you're going to do is you're going to close out the game, and you're going to go to your games menu here, and you're going to find Crimson Desert, and you're going to press the start button on your controller on Crimson Desert, and then it will open up this menu. Now you're going to click on to restore license here. Once you click on to restore license, it will restore the license of Crimson Desert. Don't worry, this will not delete your game. Afterwards, you're going to press the start button again, and it will open up this menu again. Now you're going to click on to check for update. Once you click onto that, it will look for any new updates, and it will download the update, and you will get this menu. Now you're going to disconnect your internet on your PlayStation 5, and then you're going to restart your PlayStation 5. So just restart it with the internet disconnected. Once it's done restarting, now you're going to connect the internet back on, and now you're going to try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.